Have you ever went to your kitchen faucet and turned the water on, and no matter how far you turned it, only a little amount of water would come out in either direction, hot or cold? The problem is the aerator. Every faucet has an aerator at the very end where the water comes out. Usually, and most commonly, when you have very little water coming out of the faucet, it is the aerator that is clogged up. And changing the aerator will be the focus in this video. It is a very, very simple thing to do, and anyone can do it. First and foremost, make sure that the water is turned off at the faucet. The only tool that you'll need to remove the aerator is a simple set of channel locks. All you have to do is place the channel locks on the aerator and turn clockwise until you feel it is loose enough to turn off with your hands. Remove the aerator. There you have it. And depending on what type of faucet you have, be sure to get the correct aerator for that faucet, which can usually be found at Home Depot or Lowe's or any basic hardware store. I have a replacement aerator right here. All you have to do, once the old one is off, is move it up to the end of the faucet, put it on, and turn counterclockwise until it becomes too tight to turn with your hands. Then take your channel locks and gently turn it counterclockwise until you feel it to be hand tightened. Okay, turn your water back on, and you have a full stream of water in either direction. To be doubly sure that it is indeed the aerator, once you remove it, you can look inside it, and usually if a clog is the problem, you'll see sediments inside the aerator itself. Thank you for watching Simple Solutions.